I'm not sure if this is for you, but if you're the type of person who loves finding shortcuts most people miss, these 4 bonus strategies could change everything for your YouTube journey. You see, you've probably heard all the basic YouTube advice to post consistently, make better thumbnails, improve your titles, and hey, all that's true. But if you want to actually break through, if you want your channel to go from just getting by to truly growing and building momentum, you need to go deeper. There are strategies most new creators never think about because they're too busy chasing the next viral trend, worrying about their views, or comparing themselves to other channels. Today I'm sharing 4 bonus strategies that the best creators use behind the scenes. Strategies that could take your YouTube channel to the next level. Not someday, right now. And the best part? These aren't gimmicks. You don't need fancy gear. You don't need viral video. You just need to make a few simple shifts that most people overlook. Stick with me through this video because by the end, you're going to have a clear, action-driven game plan to grow faster, connect deeper, and build something that you're proud of. Now let's dive in. Starting with the real secret most people miss in their very first 15 seconds. The harsh truth is, you don't have 2 minutes to win somebody's attention on YouTube. You barely have 15 seconds. The first 15 seconds of your video determine everything. Whether someone keeps watching, whether the algorithm pushes your content, whether your channel actually grows. Most people waste time rambling. You've heard it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or today I'm going to talk about. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've heard this 1,000 times. No, that's not how you win attention anymore. You need to hit viewers right away with something that matters to them. A hook that speaks directly to their pain, their dream, or their curiosity. Think about the first 15 seconds like a movie trailer. You're not explaining everything. You're teasing a transformation. Here's a simple formula you can use starting today. Big promise plus emotional trigger plus a reason to stay. Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel with no audience? Good, because today I'm giving you 3 battle-tested strategies that helped me grow faster than I ever thought possible, even when no one was watching. See what that does? It identifies the pain. It offers a promise. It gives a reason to stay. If you can master just that, if you can win the first 15 seconds, you'll already be ahead of 90% of new creators. Now let's level it up even more by making your entire channel bingeable. Here's something that next level creators do, almost without thinking, that most beginners totally miss. They don't make random videos. They create a signature series. What's a signature series? It's a set of videos that are branded, connected, and designed to be binge watched. Think about your favorite Netflix show. You don't watch one random episode and then leave. You finish one and then you're immediately pulled into the next. That's what you want for your YouTube channel. Instead of posting disconnected videos every week, build a recognizable series. For example, 30 days to your first 100 subscribers, a YouTube growth toolkit, the content creator starter pack. Give your audience a clear journey to follow, something that feels like an experience, not just random advice. And bonus, when you organize your videos this way, you'll naturally boost your watch time and session duration. 2 major signals that the YouTube algorithm loves. It also makes you more memorable. Instead of being that random YouTube tip guy, you become the creator behind a series people recognize and want to finish. You don't just grow views, you grow loyalty. And once you've got that loyalty, you need to make sure every new viewer immediately knows who you are and what you stand for. And before we jump into the next strategy, I have something brand new I'm excited to share with you. Starting this month, I'm launching a new weekly series called Fix It Fridays. Every Friday, I'll be breaking down real beginner YouTube channels, pointing out common mistakes like weak thumbnails, slow intros, confusing branding, and more, and showing you exactly how to fix them. Because sometimes you don't even realize the small things that are holding your channel back. And one small tweak could make a huge difference in your growth. And here's the best part. You can submit your own channel to be featured. I'll be picking a few channels each month to review on the series, giving you real feedback, real strategies, and real action steps that you can apply immediately. If you want your channel evaluated, check the link in the description below for how to submit your details. And even if your channel isn't selected right away, you'll still learn a ton just by watching how small changes can completely transform a channel's growth potential. Fix It Fridays, coming soon. I can't wait to dive into this with you. Here's something most creators forget, and it costs them big time. Every single video you make is someone's very first impression of you. Some new viewers aren't starting by browsing on your channel's homepage. They're clicking on the one video that was presented to them by YouTube, maybe from a search result, maybe from a recommendation, and deciding in seconds whether they want to stick around. That means every video has to work on its own. Every video has to be an entry point into your world. You can't assume people already know you. You can't assume they're watching your best video first. That's why it's important to quickly establish a few key things in every video. Who you help, what your channel's about, why they should stick with you. This doesn't have to be a long intro. It could be one simple sentence woven into every single video. If you're new here, I help YouTubers grow their channel and turn their passions into profits. Boom. Now the viewer knows exactly what they're getting into. You set the context, you guide the relationship from the start. When you treat every video like a first impression, you naturally start pulling in more loyal subscribers because you're not confusing them, boring them, or make them guess why they should care. Clarity builds trust, and trust builds growth. And once you have their trust, you can guide them into something even bigger, something that keeps your momentum going, even beyond YouTube. I mean, think about it. Do you really care which video of yours someone finds first? No, it doesn't matter. And if your oldest upload, your newest video, or some random one in the middle is the one that they see, really doesn't matter. What matters is that they find you and that the video they land on hooks them into staying. That's why you have to treat every single video like it's a starting point of their journey with you. Because for them, it is. You can't assume they've seen your best work. You can't assume they know what your channel is about. You can't assume they've already subscribed, followed, or trust you. This is your shot right now to make the first connection. So every video should answer these questions in the viewer's mind within the first few minutes. What's in it for me? Why should I listen to this person? And what's the next step I should take? It doesn't have to be complicated. It's as simple as a one-line mission statement. I mean, here's the truth. One video is all it takes to change everything. One right video can bring in your next subscriber, your next coaching client, your next loyal fan who watches everything that you post moving forward. But only if you treat the video like it matters, like it's someone's very first handshake with your brand. Now here's the final bonus strategy that separates hobbyists from real business builders. You need to create a next step ecosystem. What does that mean? It means that after someone watches your video, you're not leaving them wondering what to do next. You're guiding them intentionally to the next phase of your world. Because YouTube is powerful, but you don't fully own your audience here. One algorithm change, one glitch, and your traffic can slow overnight. That's why the best creators always have a system behind their videos, a free guide, a newsletter, an email list, a coaching program, a community, a podcast, a website. Somewhere else they can connect with you on a deeper level outside of just YouTube. It doesn't have to be complicated. You can start with one thing, like offering a free resource that solves a problem your audience has and invites them to grab it in the description. That way, you're not just getting views, you're building relationships, you're collecting contact information, you're building an email list, you're building a community that you own and control. Every single video should point to the next step, even if that next step is as simple as grab my free guide, join my newsletter, or schedule a free consultation. You don't want viewers who just binge and leave. You want viewers who binge, connect, and become part of your world, because that's where the real growth and the real opportunity comes from. If you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level, remember, you need to master the first 15 seconds, design a signature series that people can binge, treat every single video like it's someone's first impression of you, and build a simple next step ecosystem that brings people deeper into your world. And you don't have to do all of this perfectly right away. You just have to start and stay consistent. And to make it even easier, I've put together a free Getting Started guide. You'll find a link down below in the description. I'll walk you through the exact steps to grow faster with more clarity and less guesswork. And if you're serious about leveling up even faster, you can schedule a one-on-one coaching consultation with me. I'll help you map out your personalized YouTube growth plan. Either way, take action today, because your channel and your future audience are waiting for you to show up.